What's up, everyone? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. We 1 year later with the GOAT of free talking text, unlimited free talking text plans in the United States of America. I think this is the only one really putting in that work and killing the game right now for free. All right, and they go by the name of TextNow. If you don't know TextNow by now, unfortunately, you have not downloaded the application on your iPhone or your Android, or seen commercials on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, anything like that. I feel sorry for you. You're stuck in a sticks, or you stuck in the caves or something. But hands down, man down. There goes that company right there. TextNow for free. Yeah. They go to everyone's budget. $0. All right. $0. I mean, the only thing you might have to pay for if you don't have a particular device by now is the SIM card, which I think I truly believe you could get from Amazon, from eBay, maybe from Best Buy or Target. If they sell this Sprint SIM card, that's what you will need. You will need a Sprint SIM card to make the service work 100% for free without Wi-Fi. All right, it works 100% with Wi-Fi, but if those of you are not around Wi-Fi all the time, 24/7, or even 5 days a week, or several days out of the week with Wi-Fi, then and you don't have it, it won't work. So if you got a particular device, an unlocked device, and I preach this on my YouTube channel. I do. I really do. Go look at my videos. That's all you gotta do. My Pixel 3a XL is a fully unlocked Google phone, a pure Google phone, and it works on every network. All right, so including Sprint for free, and this S7 I got for free from TextNow. Shout outs to them. So what's really new with this? Nothing in particular that I haven't mentioned in none of my live streams about it, or mentioned in other videos. You can call, you can text. It's the messaging with iMESSAGE if you got iPhone, and Android Hangouts and Google Voice. I'm telling you guys right now, you need to get these applications. Google Hangouts and Google Voice. And TextNow does have an additional application for another line called Second Line. I'll leave all those links in the description box again, and all those videos talking about how all this stuff works. Okay, this stuff works 100% for free. You do not need Wi-Fi once you get it all set up. After you get it all set up on Wi-Fi, you turn off the Wi-Fi and you watch the magic happen. You can Google search. You can search for jobs. You can search for schools, housing, restaurants, taxis, Uber, whatever you need. You can use the Google search application on iPhone and Android, and this stuff will work. All right. So the only thing that might not work if you don't have the stuff already downloaded is like movies, Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, YouTube, all that. If you don't have the stuff downloaded already to your mobile device, whether you got a terabyte internal memory of 512 gigs internal memory, or the SD card slot like the S7 got the SD card slot and the headphone jack, and this has FM radio, and this does work with the headphone jack. With the headphone jack, it does work. As you can see, I got a tuner, and on top of that, you will get all your notifications. Okay, so a lot of people think this for free stuff is useless. No, you will still get look at all these notifications I got for free. I'm off Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi signal is turned off. All right, so I got all this stuff, okay? I got all this stuff for free, okay? All these notifications. I see what's going on in sports world. On top of that, for those in stocks and everything like that, you can even search for finance. Let's see. Finance. Okay, or yeah, finance. Let's just search finance. You can search for finance. Okay, you can look up the latest. They even give you numbers, phone numbers and stuff you could call offline for free. All right, so you don't need internet for calculators. I don't know why people think that you don't need internet to take notes. You can take notes. You got tasks to do. You can do that. This service is great for a business line, a at-home phone. You know, something you want to leave at home, and you don't care about it, you know, out in the world or whatever like that. Or you can zinc the number, the same TextNow number up. If you got an old device, as you want to use it as a house phone, but you don't want to use it as your main phone. If you want to download that application onto your iPhone, your Android, your iPad, your tablet, your phone, your computer, whatever, you can. And then if you miss a phone call at home, but you're at work or you're at school, or you know you're out traveling, and you don't have that phone or device with you, you can still receive that phone call. All you have to do is download the TextNow app and put it on all your mobile devices, and log in with the same account, and you get all your phone number, all your phone calls, all your voicemails, all your text messages, 100% for free. This is GOAT, baby. This is GOAT, and I'm telling you right here, it works on both the Pixels and the Samsungs, the iPhones, all that. You get 100% for free. I'm even getting like weird messages, even with the stock messaging app. I'm getting weird messages from the stock messaging app. I'm not sure how that's possible, but I am. But nothing out of the ordinary has changed. For those that didn't know, you go to the TextNow application, and then you go to the blog site. You can spam that number. I do not care. You tap on blog, you can read about the latest TextNow news or updates or stories they got to tell, or tips and tricks on how to stay safe online. And they giving you the latest lowdown. All right, they give you the latest info for free. The latest info for free, and on top of that, like I said, you can use Google search. I've been searching the NBA. I've been searching the weather, like I said, the stocks, and Super Bowl or whatever like that. You want to look up some Super Bowl stuff. Let's look up Super Bowl news. All right, talk about Tom Brady. I can look up all that for free. The only thing you can't do for free is watch YouTube, watch Netflix, watch Hulu and all that, and HBO Max, Disney Plus, the Amazon Prime. You got to download it on Wi-Fi, okay? But if you're on Wi-Fi at home, what's the point of having a $100 a month phone bill? What's the point of having a $50 a month phone bill if you got Wi-Fi at home, Wi-Fi at work, Wi-Fi at school, Wi-Fi at your girl house, Wi-Fi at your man house? That's all I'm saying, man. It's your boy Two Fuss. You're not keeping real or raw uncut on this YouTube channel. That's facts. And this is all facts. Living proof right here, man. This is the company that people need to don't take granted for it. Because of what's going on right now in the world, you want a company like this. You need a company like this. You know what I'm saying? So there it is, man. Yeah, you can buy phones off their website, but why buy it if your phone already supports the Sprint network? That's facts. So I mean, if your phone's not unlocked, you stuck on AT&T, you stuck on T-Mobile, yeah, you assed out, like Flossie Carter always say. You assed out. All right? So it is what it is. Believe me, your thoughts and your concerns and your questions, I got so much content on this. It's not even funny. But yeah, I mean, we're in 2021 right now, man. It's a lot going on, but you can still get info for free. All right, you can still make calls and texts for free. You can instant message with iMESSAGE, Google Hangouts, all that for free. You can send links, all that for free. All right, facts. I've done it. I got plenty of proof on my YouTube channel. Follow your boy Two Phones for free. And salute to TextNow for being the GOAT of the for free. All right, it's your boy. I'm out.